Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learning about how to navigate different type of pages like create record page, record detail page, list page, visual force page, type page, report page, and external web page in LWC component. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow three type of step. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So in the step number one, first we need to create Lightning app. Here I create Lightning app, that is a custom app. Then go on the step number two. In the step number two, first click on the gear icon. You will be get edit page. So once edit the page, go to the step three. We will be call my LWC component to the custom app. So here I display different type of button to navigate different type of page. So here you can see in the LWC component I created navigate to the new account page, navigate to the account recent list view page, navigate to the contact recent view page, navigate to file page, navigate to the home page, navigate to the chatter page, navigate to the report page, navigate to the external web browser page, and navigate to the visual force page. So friends, here after click the button, we are navigating different page of type in LWC component. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will see. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will see how to navigate different type of page through LWC component in Salesforce. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. Here I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is a LWC component where I created a Lightning button. This is a LWC component JavaScript. This is a CSS and this is a meta XML file. So friends, in the LWC component, first I created Lightning card. Inside the Lightning card, I created div. After that, I created H3. So H3, it is a title of the page. So here you can see first I created a Lightning icon. And here I am passing the title of the page, how to apply navigation service library in Lightning Web Component. So friends, this is the title of the page. After that, I created a table. Inside the table, I am applying table of body, then created TR. So in the TR, I created two TD. First TD created for the button, second TD for the detail of the button. So here you can see in the first TD, I created a button. This button used for new account. So once click on the button, it will be navigate to the create a new account, and second TD you can find detail of the button. So this button create for the navigation to create new account. So each and every TR I created two TD, and first TD I created a button, and second TD for the detail of the button. So friends, here you can see each and every button I created a function. So each and every button I created a separate function. So here you can see if click on the this button, it will be navigate to the new account. This is a button for the navigate to account list view. So this button created for the account list view. This button for the created for the contact home page. This button created for the navigate to contact recent view. This button created for the navigate to the file. This button created for the navigate to home. This button created for the chatter page. This button created for the navigate to the report page. This button created for the navigate to the web browser page. This button created for the navigate to the visual force page. So each and every TR I created two TD. First TD I created a button and second TD display detail of the button. Each and every button has a separate function. This function I created in the JavaScript file. So friends, now let me jump to my JavaScript file. This is my JavaScript file. So here you can see in the top, first I importing navigation mixin. So if you want to navigate after click the button, first you need to import the navigation mixin in the LWC component. So in the JavaScript, first I import the navigation mixin. Then in the export method, I am using _API, and this is decorator variable. I am creating a variable that is a record ID. So friends, here you can see I created different type of function in LWC component JavaScript. So this function used for navigate to new account page. So here you can see this function I calling in the button here navigate to the account page in the top of the button. So first button it is used for create a new account. So this function I using here. So here you can see each and every function I mentioned before the command. So this function using for the account page, and here you can see I applying navigation mixing dot navigate. This is a common sentence if you using navigation mixing. So this navigation mixing dot navigate. Then I apply type attribute property. Here I am using a standard object page. Then attributes. Attribute. Inside the attribute I am using two type of attributes property like object API name and action. So object API name passing the object name that you want to create a record, and action name here I am creating a new account of record. So I am passing new. So this function using for the create new account. This function using for the navigate to the list view of the account. So you can see this is the same property I am using, but type is a standard object, and here I am using list. Object name are same, but action name are different, and here a state I am applying. So here I am applying another one property that is a state. This is a filter name equal to recent. So after navigate the record, it will be display recent view of list. After that, I am using navigate to create object home page. So here you can see I am applying typing of the standard object page attributes. I am applying context. So here after click the button, it will be navigate to the contact object home page, and here you can see home. So here I am using action name home. So after click the button, it will be navigate to the home page, and object name will be contact. So here you can see structure of the navigation are same. All of the function using same structure navigation mixing dot navigate, and standard object underscore object page attributes here I am passing. In the attribute, I am passing two types of the attribute property like object name and action name. So object name that is you want to navigate to the object, and action name where you want to navigate. So after that, I created a function for the file. So after click the button, it will be navigate to the file object where you can see content document. Content document that means after click the button, it will be navigate to the file page, and it will be navigate to the root of the home page of file. Then here I am using navigate to the home page. So this function using for the navigate to the home page. Here you can see I am not using object API name. Here I am using only page name. So after click the button, this function will be redirected to the home page. Then it is used for character page. So this is the character page. So I am not using object name. So structure are same. First I am applying navigation mixing dot navigate. Then type. Then attribute. In the attribute I am passing page name colon in the single quote I am passing the character. That means it will be navigate to the character page. Then this function will navigate to the report page. So here structure are same, but here I am applying object API name and action name. So in the object API name I am passing report, and action name I am passing home. So once I click on the button, this function will be redirected to the report page. Then I am navigating to the external web page. So here you can see function name is action to web nav, and structure are same. First I am using navigation mixing dot navigate, then type using standard underscore web page, and attributes here I am using URL. So if you navigate external web page, you need to pass URL. So friends, here I am passing URL name. So that after clicking the button, it will be redirected to this URL. So you can pass as per your convenient. Here I am passing w3web.net. So once click on the button, it will be navigate to the my blog w3web.net. Then I am using the function navigate to the Visual Force page. So this is the name of the function. This is a structure navigation mixing the generate URL. So friends, if you want to navigate a button click to the Salesforce page, you need to use navigation mixing dot generate URL. In the type, I am passing a standard underscore web page attribute. In the attribute, I am passing URL. This is a Apex backslash. This is a Visual Force page name. So here you need to pass the Visual Force page name where you want to navigate after click the button. Then here I am passing the record ID. The record ID here I am first in the first I created a record ID. So this record ID I am passing here. Then generate URL, and inside the bracket I am using window.open generate URL. So friends, if you want to navigate Visual Force page after click the button, this instruction you need to follow. So friends, in this lesson, we have created different type of the functions. This function created for the create new account page. This function created for the account list page. This function uses for the navigate to the contact object home page. This function uses for the navigate to the file page. This function uses for the navigate to the home page. This function uses for the navigate to chatter page. This function uses for the navigate to the report page. This function uses for the navigate to the web browser page. This function uses for the navigate to the Visual Force page. And all of the function I call in the different type of button. So friends, you can see each and every button I pass different type of the function on click. So friends, here you can see here I create a different type of button, and all of the different button I passing different type of function on click button. So friends, as you see in the LWC component, I created different type of button, and each and every button passing a on click event and passing a function. That function I created in the JavaScript file. So each and every function I passing into different button here. So friends, now let me jump on the style CSS. In the style CSS file, I created two class SLDS button and SLDS navigation text. So this class using for the width of the button, and this is a navigation text. So here I am using text color for the button. And if you go to the meta XML file, in the meta XML file, I am using target and targets. In the target, I am applying app page, record page, and home page. So this component only visible on this page. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce order where we will recall LWC component in Lightning IP. So now let's jump to my Salesforce order. So friends, this is my Salesforce order. First, let me go on the gear icon, then edit the page. Here, I will be call my LWC component. So friends, my LWC component name is LWC Navigate Action. So now go on the Salesforce. In the search box here, I will be search my component LWC Navigate Action. LWC Navigate Action. This is my LWC component. Simply select and drag and drop here and save. Then go back. Here you can see my LWC component visible in the custom app. And in the LWC component, I created different type of button. So this is a button. This is a detail of the button. So this button uses for the navigate to the create new account. So once clicking on the button, it will be open new window, and from here we will create a new account. So friends, after clicking the button here, you can see new window open. From here we can create new account. So this button uses for the navigate to the create new account. This button uses for the account list view. So now let me click here. You can see it is automatically navigate to the account list view here. This button used for navigate to the contact record view. So now click here. Here you can see it is automatically navigating to the contact list view. This button for navigate to file. So once click on the button, it will be navigate to the file. Now let me click here. Here you can see it is automatically navigate to the file. Similarly, this button navigate for home page. Here you can see it is automatically navigation to the home page. Now go back. Navigation to the chatter page. Click here. This is a chatter page. It is automatically navigate to the chatter page. Navigate to the report. Once click on the button, this button automatically redirect to the report page. It is automatically redirect to the report page. Now go back. Then go to another one button. The next button is navigate to the web browser page. So once click on the button, it will be redirect to the web browser. So in the JavaScript, I am using w3web.net. So once click on the button, it will be navigate to the external web browser page. Now let me click here. Here you can see this is my w3web.net. This is my blog. So it is a navigate to the w3web.net. It is a external web browser page. And in the last button, navigate to the Visual Force page. Once click on the button, it will be navigate to the Visual Force page. So now let's click on the Visual Force page button. Here you can see. Here you can see it is automatically redirect to the Visual Force page. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to create different type of button, and each and every button I am passing different type of action function, and once click on the button, we are navigation to different button to different page in the Salesforce through LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step to real world scenario. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook are Master of X Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today.